I'm going to do a quick fan test, and what I'm going to be doing is a comparison between this Broan Nutone fan that's been installed in this bathroom that I inherited, and then I'm going to put a Panasonic Whisper Series fan in, and I'm going to run the same test. And the test is basically going to be 10 minutes with the shower on, hot, with the door closed, mirror behind me, and I'm going to get this hot shower going. And I'm going to shut the door,
be back in about 10.
And I'm going to let it run for 10 minutes. Well, it's been 10 minutes. You can clearly see that the fan is working much better. I know when I do the comparison video side by side, it's going to show a huge difference. There's a small section here where it looks like a little humidity is forming, but I'm going to go ahead and turn the shower off, let it sit here for a few minutes, see how long that takes to dissipate, and I'll be right back. Okay, well, hopefully you can see the 13, 14 minutes, almost 14 minutes. That's maybe about an average shower, maybe a little longer, but it's good and humid in here. Now, I'm just going to let the fan run out. I'm just going to let the timer run. We'll kind of see how long it takes for this humidity to get out of this bathroom. And like I said, we'll compare that with the Panasonic fan that I'm going to put in. Well, there you have it. 26 minutes in. Everything's nice and dry in here. Fan's working nicely. Alright, well, we're 21 minutes. About 6-7 minutes after the shower. You know, obviously at this point you want to be shaving. You want to be like doing yourself up or whatever. So I'm just going to let this run out a little longer here and just kind of see if we can get this whole thing to clear up. And it sort of looks like it's starting to move out, and I've got the door still shut, so I'll let it run. I'll be back. Well, looks like we're finally getting there. About 34 minutes in here, and I still got a section here. I'd say at this point, you know, it's pretty much all the way there. So we'll see how the Panasonic does in comparison to this Broan.